Hello design enthusiasts! Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today we're diving deep into the enchanting world of window reading nooks and tips for decorating it to look good. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. These spaces, often overlooked, hold immense potential for transforming a simple window into a personal sanctuary. Let's explore how to create a window reading nook that's not only visually appealing, but also a functional haven. Let's begin by defining what we mean by window reading nook decor. Essentially, it's the art of transforming the space around a window into a comfortable and inviting area for reading, relaxing, or simply enjoying the view. This goes beyond just placing a chair near a window. It involves thoughtful design, strategic furniture placement, and the incorporation of elements that create a sense of warmth and tranquility. The goal is to create a distinct zone within a room, a place where you can retreat and enjoy a moment of peace. It's about maximizing natural light and creating a cozy, personal space that reflects your individual style. The window is the focal point, and the decor serves to enhance its natural beauty and functionality. Now, why should you consider adding a window reading nook to your home? The benefits are numerous. First and foremost, it creates a dedicated space for relaxation. In today's fast-paced world, having a quiet corner to unwind is invaluable. A reading nook offers a perfect escape, a place where you can disconnect from the digital world and immerse yourself in a book or simply enjoy the view. Secondly, it maximizes natural light. Windows are natural sources of light, and by creating a nook, you're utilizing this resource to its fullest potential. Natural light is not only beneficial for reading, but also enhances mood and overall well-being. Thirdly, it adds a unique architectural element to your home. A well-designed reading nook can become a focal point, adding character and charm to any room. It also increases the functionality of an otherwise underutilized space. Finally, it provides a personalized retreat. A window reading nook is a reflection of your personal style and preferences, a space designed specifically for your comfort and enjoyment. How to decorate my window reading nook to look good. Achieving a visually appealing reading nook requires careful planning and execution. The key is to create a harmonious blend of comfort and style. First, consider the layout. Evaluate the space around your window and determine the best arrangement for seating and storage. Ensure that there's enough room to move comfortably and that the layout allows for optimal natural light. Next, choose comfortable seating. This could be a built-in bench, a plush armchair, or even a cozy floor cushion. The seating should be supportive and inviting, encouraging you to settle in for a long read. Then incorporate soft textiles. Add layers of comfort with throw pillows, blankets, and rugs. These elements not only add warmth but also texture and visual interest. Lighting is also crucial. Consider adding ambient lighting such as a floor lamp or wall sconce to supplement natural light and create a cozy atmosphere. Finally, personalize the space with decorative accents. Display your favorite books, artwork, and plants to create a space that reflects your personality and style. What are the best items for window reading nook decor? Let's discuss the essential items that will elevate your window reading nook. First, built-in bench. A custom built-in bench maximizes space and provides ample seating. Second, plush armchair. A comfortable armchair with a supportive back and armrests is perfect for long reading sessions. Third, soft throw pillows. Add a variety of throw pillows in different sizes, shapes, and textures for added comfort and style. Fourth, warm blankets. A cozy blanket or throw adds warmth and texture, making the nook more inviting. Fifth, floor lamp. A floor lamp with adjustable lighting provides ample light for reading. 6th, wall sconce. Wall sconces can add ambient lighting and create a cozy atmosphere. 7th, bookshelves. Built-in or freestanding bookshelves provide storage for your favorite books and decorative items. 8th, window cushions. Custom window cushions add comfort and style to a built-in bench. 9th, plants. Indoor plants add a touch of nature and freshness to the space. 10th, small side table. A small side table provides a convenient surface for a cup of tea, a book, or a lamp. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best window reading Nook decor ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. The minimalist nook. Clean lines, neutral colors, and minimal decor create a serene and uncluttered space. Think simple built-in bench, white cushions, and a single small green plant. 2. The bohemian retreat. Incorporate vibrant colors, eclectic patterns, and natural materials like rattan and macrame. Use lots of floor cushions and hanging plants. 3. The classic library nook. Dark wood finishes, leather armchairs, and vintage bookshelves create a timeless and sophisticated look. Add a brass reading lamp. 4. The coastal escape. Light blue and white hues, natural textures like linen and seagrass, and nautical accents create a breezy and relaxing atmosphere. 5. The Scandinavian sanctuary. Light wood furniture, soft textiles in neutral tones, and minimalist decor create a cozy and functional space. 6. The rustic charm. Use reclaimed wood, natural stone, and earthy tones to create a warm and inviting nook. Think thick-knit blankets and leather-bound books. 7. The modern elegance. Sleek lines, metallic accents, and luxurious fabrics create a sophisticated and contemporary look. Use a velvet chair and a chrome reading lamp. 8. The garden view nook. Maximize the view with large windows and incorporate indoor plants and floral patterns to bring the outdoors in. 9. The kids' corner nook. Bright colors, playful patterns, and comfortable cushions create a fun and inviting space for children. Add bean-bag chairs and colorful bookshelves. 10. The high-rise haven. Utilize a window with a city view by creating a sleek, modern nook with comfortable seating and ambient lighting. Think of a small sofa facing the view. Creating a window reading nook is a wonderful way to enhance your home's comfort and style. By carefully considering the layout, seating, lighting, and decor, you can transform a simple window into a personal sanctuary. Remember, the key is to create a space that reflects your individual style and provides a cozy retreat. If you enjoyed these window reading Nook decor ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more inspiring home decor tips and tricks. Don't forget to share your own window reading Nook creations in the comments below. We'd love to see how you've transformed your windows.